Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. Alright, so most of you seem to think today's lesson was pretty easy, which is excellent. But a quick reminder, in every single problem, I need to see your work. You cannot do it on a calculator and then tell me, oh, Ms. Douglas, I did it on another piece of paper and I just forgot to bring it to you. No, you didn't. You lied. Do your work on the page so that I can see it. Every single problem has the same formula. Volume equals length times width times height. So here I'd multiply 28 times 2.7, watch out for that decimal. I need to see your work. If you actually do it on a piece of scratch paper, it doesn't count unless you bring me that scratch piece of paper. In number 2, fractions. Well, if you're gonna multiply fraction times fraction times fraction, they all actually have to be fractions. So let's make that 3 a 3 over 1. You've got 3 over 1 times 14 over 3 times 12 over 7. Hey, just a thought, fun suggestion. I strongly recommend trying to simplify before you multiply, because look at that 3 and that 3. That makes a fancy 1. I know it does. And 1 over 1, oh, we don't need to worry about that anymore. So now we're doing 14 times 12 divided by 7. Ooh, wait, there's more you could simplify there before you even do that, because I know there's a simplifying relationship between 14 and 7. So think about what you can simplify before you do all that multiplication, because who wants to do extra work? I do not need any of this. I just want to know your answer with your units. So like this one would have units of centimeters times centimeters times centimeters to the power of 3. This is not the final answer. I'm making you do the work. 3 numbers, multiply them. 3 numbers, multiply them. Find some volumes. Not too bad. 3 fractions, multiply them. Ooh, but wait, there's more. This is yards, this is feet. If you wanted to change it to feet, oh, because you have to, because we read the directions, you can change it to feet first, or you can change it to feet after you multiply and find the volume in yards. If 1 yard is 3 feet, then 3/4 of a yard is less than 3 feet. Maybe you want to actually find your volume in yards first, length, width, height. 3/4 times 3/4 times 3/4. This is a true cube because all the sides are the same. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 16 times 4 is can't think of it off the top of my head, even though I know it. 64. And then we need to simplify. Like maybe I can divide them both by, I don't know, 2's, 3's, maybe not. But we do need to change it. This is yards. And if we have our ratio table, yards to feet, 1 yard is 3 feet. So 27/64 of a yard, divided by 3. 27/64 divided by 3 over 1. Keep, change, flip. See if you can't simplify before you multiply. Give me a final answer. The last one is actually solving for an unknown side, not for the volume. I know that the answer is 220 and 5/10. I know that it's going to be 7 times W. That makes 49 W's. 220.5. Divide both sides by 49. And that will give you your W.